Welcome to AP Workshops and Snox's little tech tips. Welcome to AP Workshops and Snox's little tech tips for the day. So we've had a couple of bikes in this year. We've had problems with the tip over switch, which is designed to do exactly what it says. If your bike's upside down, it's going to cut the engine. But if it's put in the wrong way around when you're working on the bike, all you're going to ever hear is the fuel pump priming. If I can just show you where it is. Just come down.
Can you wait a second, please? Hey, fellas! Whew. Thanks for waiting.
So here's where the tip over switch is on the Gen 1 bikes. If we just pull it up, I don't know if hopefully the camera can see it, but it's got the orientation arrow, which should always be pointing up. We'll just put that the correct way. And just in case, if you want a little reminder, you could always just get a white tyre pen and just put yourself a little blob on there just to confirm when it goes back in, it's absolutely as it should be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like us and subscribe. Share the videos around to your friends if you want. That would be cool. You can get in touch with us at sales@apworkshops.co.uk. You can go on the website www.apworkshops.co.uk, or you can all give us a call at the workshop on 01827 285 500. Thank you very much.